Raj Bhavan complex in Manipur has been significantly impacted by severe flooding, which has inundated all office buildings, including the Raj Bhavan Secretariat, Office of the Governor, staff quarters and security barracks. Only the vintage building serving as the official residence of the governor has been spared. It may be mentioned that the Raj Bhavan had not been affected by the previous floods, but the current situation, exacerbated by Cyclone Ramal from Bay of Bengal, has led to unprecedented flooding. The cyclone has caused extensive flooding across northeastern region, including Manipur, where Imphal River embankment has breached in several locations, resulting in flooding of Raj Bhavan complex. In light of the dire situation, Governor Anusuiya Uikey has conducted review of the flood control arrangements and directed officials to implement all possible measures to mitigate pathetic condition of the complex.